Oh, yeah, that's the good stuff. Om. Namaste. In bed. I'm just kidding. Good morrow, everybody, and welcome to this review. Now, today is all about the all-new Hatch Restore. Oh, I can't do it. Today is all about the all-new Hatch Restore 2. So, at this point, everyone's about sleep, and honestly, if it works, we'll pay. The Oura Ring, Whoop, all these devices are meant to help you track your sleep so you could sleep better. 3 years ago, my wife and I got the Hatch Restore. It's a sleep machine that helps you fall asleep as well as help you wake up naturally using a light that mimics a natural sunrise so your body can wake up easier and less stressed. 3 years later, we're still using it and we haven't had any issues. If you haven't seen my Hatch Restore review and you want a detailed review on that as well as their premium membership, go ahead and check that out. But today I'm reviewing Hatch's newest sleep device, the upgraded Restore 2, to test and try out. Do I think it's worth upgrading, and should you just save some money and get the OG Restore? While there are great things about the Restore 2, there's also something really weird that I just don't get, but I'll go into that later. So let's get started. So why get a sleep machine? If you guys are watching this video, you can because of those sleepless nights or the fact they just can't wake up. And we've all been there. Now, aside from the things you've probably already heard, like no heavy meals 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, no caffeine like 6 hours before bedtime, no blue light screens, making the bedroom as dark as possible with blackout shades and all that stuff, one thing that really helps your body naturally get sleepy is a natural sunset and sunrise. It kind of just tricks your brain into thinking it's time for bed or time to wake up. And that's what the Hatch Restore and Restore 2 does so well. It helps your body reset into its natural circadian rhythm by helping you get sleepy as well as gently helping you wake up. So let's talk looks of the new Hatch Restore 2. They didn't really modify the design too much because, hey, why change a good thing, right? They made the Restore 2 slightly smaller. It's more egg-shaped, so it is wider, but they did a great job at making the light and screen very seamless. It looks definitely more premium now, and it has this linen type of material on it, and it comes in 3 different colors. For me, I have the slate color. They keep it simple with 2 big buttons on the top, one on the left and one on the right. They're big enough so you can easily press them. And the little attention to detail that I noticed is one of the buttons, which is the one you go for sleeping, is concave, whereas the one that you use to wake up is convex. So you can easily see the button still at night. It also finally has a mute alarm button, something they didn't have in the Restore, that allows you to turn off the alarm for that day manually without needing a phone nearby. Just make sure to switch it back off the next day, otherwise someone's sleeping in and they're gonna be late for work, which is exactly what happened to me. In the front, they modified the LED lights so it looks cleaner and more subtle. It also has touch sensitive areas for volume on the left and right, as well as controlling the brightness at the top and bottom of the clock. Overall, it looks great. Now, setup with these things is super easy. It's as easy, honestly, as plugging it in, downloading the app, and getting set up. It syncs with Amazon Alexa or Google Home as well. From there, they run you through a short tutorial of how to set everything up. And with the Restore 2, they made it very simple. At the bottom of the app, you have the Rest tab as well as the Rise tab. Rest is winding down for bed and sleeping, and Rise is waking up to your alarm. What's cool and different about the Restore 2 is that they not only have sunrises to help you gently wake up, they also now have sunsets to help you fall asleep. So if you enable the sunset, it will gently mimic a sunset within 60 minutes to help you wind down, which is perfect because I always take my melatonin about an hour before I go to sleep anyways to help me gently fall asleep easier. On the rest section, you can also add as many steps as you want. For me, I just like getting ready for bed and actually sleeping, so I like having 2 steps. When you click on each step, you can choose from a total of 24 sleep sounds, as well as 10 default light colors. And now you can customize the light color, and you can also choose from 3 different sunsets. So let's just say I want Marine Midnight. So within 60 minutes, those colors will change to that. So they just did a quick preview. This one. Now, what's different between the Restore and Restore 2 is now they don't offer any free meditations, which kind of sucks. However, their premium membership did get cheaper and starts at $5 a month or $50 a year. It does seem like there are way more sounds and features and more bang for your buck. With the premium membership, they even have sunset pairings to pair with the meditation or wind down. And they also have tracks that pair with the meditation, so you can change up the tracks when you listen to the meditation, making it a little different each time. The Restore 2 seems to heavily rely on the premium, which is good, because if you pay, you unlock a ton of extra features. But honestly, even without the premium membership, the Restore 2 is still fine, because I've been happy with my Restore with no premium membership for a while now, and I haven't had the desire to renew the membership. Now, one awesome thing with the Restore 2 is the speaker is finally so much louder. With the Restore, I was getting around 75 or 76 decibels, and it's not that loud. And I had to max out the volume to 100% every time. However, with the Restore 2, I was getting around 85 and 86 decibels, and the speaker is just so much louder. Although the quality of the speakers is still the same. So here's what all the sleep sounds sound like. As far as setting up the rise portion, you can choose from 10 different sunrises instead of colors, like the original Restore. You can also choose from 12 different new wake-up alarms that are free. So now let's go ahead and go to the rise section, which has some new alarms, which is nice. So as far as the sunrises, you can choose from all these, but look at all these new sounds. So let's go ahead and start with Meditative Flute and Malibu Sunrise. And you can adjust the sunrise duration as well, so you can customize everything. I honestly love the Hatch Restore 2 Sunrises. The look of it on camera doesn't do it justice, as it just looks amazing in the bedroom, and they did a great job at the new Sunrises. This is one of their awesome and best-selling features. I mean, my cousin just texted me. He was like, bruh, how do I wake up earlier? Do you have some sort of smart light you can recommend? However, because he's still in PA school, I know he can't afford a Hatch Restore 2. So maybe Hatch can do some sort of giveaway, because I know there are a lot of people out there who care about their sleep, but they can't afford those expensive sleep machines. Who knows, maybe I could reach out to them and they'll do a giveaway. Make sure to subscribe and like the video so you can be aware of anything fun and exciting. Again, they did a great job at integrating more features with the premium membership. Overall, the Restore 2 is dedicated for people for the same reason: easy sleep and easy wake ups. Now, the Restore 2 starts at $200, while the older Restore starts at $130. Again, the premium membership will cost you $50 a year, but you do get a month free, so I really recommend you guys to try it out for a month. Check out all the sounds and features and see if you guys like it. Now, from my previous Hatch video, I got a ton of questions, so I just wanted to answer those questions right now. Now, one of the number one things everyone asks is, can you use this speaker as an external speaker connected to your phone or connected to Bluetooth? And no, you cannot do that. It's only linked to the app, and you can only play the sounds through the app. Second, can you use this without a phone anywhere nearby, or without Wi-Fi or anything? And the correct answer is you don't need Wi-Fi, you don't need your cell phone. You can just have it all gone so you can focus on sleeping. As long as you guys set up everything for the first time, all you need to do is press the buttons and you're good to go. You can also easily turn off the LED clock completely during set times or whenever you want to. That way it's zero distractions. The app also has a reminder to remind you to start winding down for bed. However, it would be nice to get a notification from the app saying that my mute button is still engaged, so make sure to turn that off, because that was one of the things I kept forgetting to turn off. So again, if you know anything about me and the channel here, you know I'm not about the monthly fees. However, people like a ton of my friends out there, they just can't sleep and they'll do whatever it takes to sleep. Because honestly, let's face it, you can't put a price on health. The new meditations, the new wake up tunes, the Restore 2 Premium membership has a lot to offer. However, honestly, humans are creatures of habit, and I think we changed our sleep sounds only twice or 3 times, which means you don't really need a premium membership. I will say, however, that it's really weird how the Hatch Restore 2 has 0 free meditations, but it does have a total of 34 sleep and wake sounds, which are all new. Not sure why they could have just integrated the sounds from the original Hatch into the new Hatch and vice versa. They're trying to keep things separate. I mean, even the app layout is completely different, even though it's the same app. I do love still, however, that the original Restore has 31 free sleep sounds, a 45-minute soundscape, and 4 free meditations. And the only issue I had with the Restore in 3 years is that one of the LED lights went out in the front, but that's it. We use it every night and we love it. Overall, I do love the features of the Restore 2, like the new sunset lighting and the bigger and louder speaker. But if you're on a tight budget, the original Restore is still a really good value and still includes a few free sample meditations. If you guys are considering purchasing the Restore and Restore 2, I'll make sure I link it all in the description below. Hope that video helped you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the new Restore 2, as well as if you guys have a Restore and what you guys think of your Restore. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.